Hello everyone, this is Jonas. Again, for today's videos are magbibigay ako ng trivia kung ano yung ito. Ayan. Ito, ano to? Meron ako ditong green citrus. Kasi kaganina tinikman ko na siya kung anong lasa. Ang lasa niya matamis-tamis na may maasim-asim. Pero for today, ito, magbibigay ako ng trivia kung ano to. Para at least meron kayong matutunan kahit konti. Ito, meron akong iPad. Kung ano ito. Ito. According dito, kung ano ito is ito. Green citrus generally refers to citrus fruits like limes or unripe or angus that haven't fully developed their characteristic yellow or orange color. The green color is due to chlorophyll, which can persist in some citrus varieties even when they are ripe, or may indicate that fruit is not yet fully mature. Unripe orange, some citrus fruits like oranges may be green when they are not yet fully ripe. Then, variations in ripening. In some regions like Sicily, citrus fruits may retain a slight green tinge even when ripe due to the mild temperatures. Citrus greening disease. It's important to note that green citrus can also refer to the fruit affected by citrus greening disease or Honglongbing or HLB. They will call Honglongbing or HLB, a bacterial infection that causes the fruit to be abnormally green and ultimately leads to tree death. Ayan lang, at least meron kayong natutunan, binasa ko lang. For today video, ititikman natin, meron ako ditong ayan, counting bread. Merong hopya din mamon. Kasi yung citrus, pag kumakain ka kasi ng citrus, dapat, for example, kung kumakain ka ng mga fats, like mga fatty foods, kailangan mong kumain ito citrus kasi mas makakapagtanggal ng mga fatty sa tiyan. Tikman natin kung masarap. Kasi tinikman ko yun kanina. Tikman natin ulit. Masarap siya. Ayan. Tapos may konting hopya. Masarap. Ayan. Pero yung main topic natin dito yung citrus. This our video for today. Thank you for watching.